Let us talk about out-of-home ad sales. Monetizing real estate through out-of-home advertising has been a struggle for public-facing real estate owners such as retailers, outdoor billboards, airports, bus and train stations, stadiums, and shopping mall owners. Challenges holding back these real estate owners include getting real-time visibility into availability of thousands of ad panels in their network, connecting their ad panels to audience intelligence for targeting, creating hyper-targeted, location-based campaigns with hundreds of placements, a common platform for end-to-end out-of-home ad sales. InterACT Grid Out-of-Home, built on top of Salesforce Media Cloud, overcomes all the out-of-home ad sales challenges. InterACT Grid Out-of-Home provides the single source of truth on the geolocation of each ad panel in your network, along with its availability calendar. You can now create effective out-of-home ad campaigns. Use the directory of points of interest to connect the dots between ad panels and audience intelligence. Use traffic at points of interest and proximity of ad panel for location-based hyper-targeted campaigns. Transform your sales organization into a high-performance team that closes deals fast instead of click, click, click. Create campaigns with hundreds of line items within seconds. This complete solution solves all your out-of-home ad sales challenges, all running on a common platform, Salesforce. Why settle for a patchwork of piecemeal solutions when you can have the whole enchilada? InterACT Grid Out-of-Home is brought to you by CRMantra, the Salesforce industry cloud experts. We specialize in media and communications clouds. As Salesforce's development partner, we have been part of building these apps. We have worked with many media companies. Contact us. Make every rep perform like your best.